In today's digital age, where remote work is becoming increasingly prevalent, part-time remote data entry jobs offer a flexible and lucrative opportunity for those seeking to work from home. These jobs involve organizing and managing data electronically, ensuring its accuracy and accessibility for various purposes. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or simply looking to supplement your income, remote data entry jobs provide a convenient way to earn money while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Within the realm of remote data entry jobs, there exists a diverse range of opportunities, each catering to specific skill sets and interests. Data entry clerks perform the fundamental task of inputting and verifying data into computer systems, ensuring its accuracy and completeness. Data processors take this a step further by organizing and manipulating data, often using specialized software, to prepare it for analysis or reporting. For those with a knack for numbers and an analytical mindset, data analyst roles involve examining and interpreting data to identify trends, patterns, and insights. To excel in remote data entry jobs, aspiring candidates should possess a meticulous eye for detail and an unwavering commitment to accuracy. These roles demand individuals who can work diligently and independently, ensuring that data is processed and managed with the utmost precision. Furthermore, a solid foundation in computer literacy is essential, including proficiency in using various software applications and navigating digital platforms. Embarking on the journey to secure remote data entry jobs requires a strategic approach. Job boards, such as Indeed and FlexJobs, offer a comprehensive listing of available opportunities. Networking is another effective method, allowing you to connect with professionals in the field and uncover hidden job openings. Additionally, proactively reaching out to companies directly, expressing your interest in their remote data entry positions, can increase your chances of being noticed. In conclusion, remote data entry jobs offer a multitude of benefits, including the flexibility to work from home, manage your own schedule, and strike a healthy work-life balance. Whether you're seeking a part-time opportunity to supplement your income or a full-fledged career change, this field presents an accessible and rewarding path. With the right skills and dedication, you can harness the power of remote work and unlock the potential of a successful career in data entry.